What's up, guys, and welcome to the channel. Some smoke in here, so we're gonna put in the grinder real quick. Be right back. All right, here we go. Is this is here cotton. The strawberry cough sativa, high burn, THC, giving us marijuana. Let's go, guys. Cheers. Oh yeah, strawberry cough. Oh yeah. Oh. It definitely says what it does. It definitely will make you cough. Yeah. Ugh. That was a nasty taste there. It's a little stale. One little bit of it was good. All right. Where you at, guys? All right. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Well, it looks like, yep, cashed it out. And that was strawberry cough. Sativa, THC, Kevin, it's marijuana. Yeah. Good morning, guys. And Rick and Bake, subscribe to the channel. Strawberry cough, sativa, THC. Peace out. Till next time.